Damascus Bakeries, I'm Chef Herman. Today we're bringing you Flax Roll-Ups. Making the flat roll-ups, which is tomatoes, lettuce, chicken, and mayonnaise spread. Spread mayonnaise all over. Okay. First, lettuce. Now we're adding chicken. Next, tomatoes, sliced tomatoes, so we complete sandwich. Now we roll, which is just hold everything together and roll in 3 times. So it's complete a sandwich to go. Now we're cutting the sandwich. You have two pieces, so we could have a complete, delicious sandwich. So delicious. Thank you for watching. We're about to do next week, same time, same place. Ciao.